Hello my friends, Ellen here. Welcome back to my southern kitchen. Today I'm going to share with y'all how to make a graham cracker crust. Simple, easy, and only call for 3 ingredients. Over here I have a 13.5 ounce box of graham cracker crumbs, or you can use 16 graham crackers, just crush them up in the food processor, or you could place them in a ziplock bag and crush them up using a rolling pin. We need 2 cups. That's 1 cup. And 2. Into our graham cracker crumbs, we're going to add in 1/4 cup of white sugar. Gotta sweeten it. And to hold everything together, we're going to add in 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I melted and cooled, or you can use salted butter. And I like a thick crust, but if you don't like a lot of crust, you can reduce the graham cracker crumbs to about 1 1/3 cups to 1 1/2 cups. Going to give these a quick stir until they well combined. You want the consistency of wet sand. All right, my friends, I am through stirring up my crumbs, and this is what it looks like. Looks like wet sand. That's exactly what we want. Excellent. So now we are going to pour it into our pie plate. We're going to pour it in a 9-inch pie plate, but before we do, I'm going to grease it with butter, or you can spray it with cooking spray, so that way our crust won't stick. Grease it generously. Using my hand, we're going to press it down. Now we're going to use a measuring cup and press the sides like so. Okie dokie, now we are ready to put our graham cracker crust in the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees, going to let it bake for about 8 minutes. And I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, there you have it. Homemade graham cracker crust. Don't that look good? I just taken it out of the oven. And it smells heavenly up in this kitchen. So now we're going to let it cool completely. Perfect for no bake cheesecakes, key lime pie, banana cream pies, you name it. So I hope y'all enjoyed this simple tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, my friends, and I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.